In 1997, Equipment Technologies was founded with a mission to build simple, rugged, affordable self-propelled sprayers for the grower. That same mission remains as clear today as it was in the beginning. We are a privately held company dedicated to one thing: building great sprayers. That simple focus means we have fewer outside distractions than other companies in our industry. Therefore, we are able to concentrate on what really matters: building the best sprayer for the dollar. Located in Mooresville, Indiana, our employees make the innovative Apache sprayer come to life. We distribute the Apache through our excellent dealership network across the U.S., Canada, Australia, and the Ukraine. The Apache is a mechanical drive sprayer. It is much simpler versus the complexity of a hydrostatic sprayer. Simplicity breeds dependability. With our patented power-to-the-ground technology, a full 98% of the Apache's horsepower is delivered to the ground. Most hydrostat machines deliver only 70%. Our customers love the simplicity, fuel efficiency, lighter weight, and less compaction, along with our 5-year warranty. With better weight distribution than a hydrostat, our front two wheels stay on top of the ground, while the torque converter locks in to provide more power to the rear wheels. This keeps us going in soft ground. At the Mooresville facility, we manufacture our 4 models: the AS720, the AS1020, the AS1025, and the AS1220. The AS1020 and AS1220 models also have an additional option called the Plus 2 package, a 275 horsepower Cummins engine and a heavier duty differential from JCB. Each sprayer receives over 60 hours of personal attention before delivery to our customer. We incorporate new technology responding to the ever-changing needs of the grower.
We try to quickly take the evolving solutions and products that are available, combined with our evolution of the machine, to address those market needs and incorporate those into our design. We do that with a team atmosphere, concentrating on hard work and competence. The end result is a value-added piece of equipment in our marketplace.
That's the heart and soul of the business. The employees make the Apache what it is, I believe. We have a lot of pride, a lot of guys that are enthusiastic about coming to work. It's a very fun environment, and I think the pride factor is it's almost hard to explain. It's really kind of entrenched in the guys, and we just have a great group of guys. I can't say enough about them.
Just south of the plant is our new facility that houses our parts warehouse and distribution. ET Ag Parts provides access to over 50,000 application parts.
More room, more parts. We have a customer will call area, so customers can come in and buy product, pick product up. We did not have that at the other facility. We have more room for additional part storage, so we can continue to grow the business and stock the parts, the right parts at the right time. Fulfillment centers rate their fill rate on a 24-hour clock or a 48-hour clock. We do it on the same day.
We also partner with over 100 suppliers for many other key components that go into the Apache. This is important because it allows us to focus on what we do best, designing and building sprayers, while letting our supply partners focus on what they do best, building best-in-class components for us to use in our sprayers. This building also houses our service department and the ET Ag Application College, complete with a precision lab. On several acres to the southeast is the sprayer test track for research and development, as well as training. Our first stop before the assembly process begins is our fabrication department. The focus of our fabrication department is building a high-quality part utilizing the skills of our workers. The parts are ordered pre-cut or pre-bent and then welded into an assembly. Once the assemblies are finished, they are sent out to be sandblasted and powder coat painted. This ensures a high quality, long-lasting finish that stands the test of time against some of the corrosive chemicals the sprayer surfaces encounter. The Apache assembly line is comprised of 5 stations and 10 sub-assembly stations. Each stage of the building process is carefully detailed by hard-working men and women, bolting, tightening, and assembling each Apache. The first assembly station starts with the base frame. The Apache uses a bolt-together flex frame with all 3/4-inch bolts. This allows for greater flexing of the whole sprayer, providing a smoother ride. The hydraulic blocks and the rear suspension system are mounted on. The rear suspension has anti-sway to keep the axle and frame parallel when making turns, keeping the booms level and out of the dirt, no matter how the fluid shifts in the tank. The Apache's patented hydraulic rear suspension system provides a one-of-a-kind ride. In assembly station number 2, the cooling package, engine, transmission, firewall, hydraulic system, and hoses are all installed. The front axle is also installed at this point of assembly. We offer fixed or adjustable axles, depending on the individual grower's needs. The adjustable axle can span from 120 to 160 inches to adapt to varying row widths. We also offer the option of hydraulic adjust. Another aspect that differentiates the Apache from the competition is the oscillating front axle. This axle allows for a smooth, comfortable ride. No matter the terrain, all 4 wheels are always on the ground. Next, we come to assembly station number 3. Here, the rear axle, hood, hydraulic tank, batteries, AC hoses, and the cab are all added to the frame. Model year 2014 brought the assembly of the newly designed cab in-house. The cab shell is purchased and all components are assembled here at ET. The redesign focused on improving operator comfort and interface with controls. By assembling in-house, the manufacturing team can control the quality at a much higher level. Also, the in-house assembly allows us to offer multiple cab options and configurations. Customers are able to order specific options to fit their needs, similar to an a la carte menu. This is important in a build-to-order operation. The cab assembly area is set up in 5 assembly stations. This style of build mirrors our final assembly line, utilizing our proven manufacturing process. Once the cab passes through the 5 sub-assembly stations, it moves to the main line and is set on a new Apache sprayer. Each of the Apache models is equipped with the ET Custom Cab, including an air ride adjustable seat, tilt steering column, and adjustable control console, which we call the pilot system. The goal is to provide the smoothest, most comfortable ride while ensuring visibility with wraparound glass and in and out of cab lighting for the driver. Before leaving station number 3, the Apache control console and precision field computer are installed. We are the only company with the ability to factory install the leading precision solutions for application, both Raven and Trimble. Once in assembly station number 4, the fill station assembly, fuel tank, product tank assembly, rear boom rack, and tread plates are all installed. We connect the rear boom rack both hydraulically and electronically and start plumbing the wet system of the Apache sprayer. This is also the station where many of our boom options, such as foam markers, AccuBoom, and fence row nozzles, are installed. These and other wet system options provide growers with the most efficient wet system, improving application accuracy and cutting down on chemical expenses. At the last assembly station for the Apache, we install the drive shafts, boom wings, front suspension, and finish making all plumbing connections. We also place fluids in the cooling package and hydraulic tank. We then do a hydraulic flush and charge the AC system. Once these are complete, we do an initial hydraulic leak check. Fold the boom wings in, lift the front end of the Apache off the ground, and install the tires. Now comes the moment we enjoy the most. The initial startup of the machine. The team then checks for any hydraulic leaks and tow in the front tires. Once all items are complete, the sprayer is driven to quality control for inspection. The quality control personnel go through an extensive checklist. This list includes checking bolts for proper torque, fluid levels, and all electric component operations. We also pressurize the wet system with antifreeze, checking for leaks, and make sure the precision equipment is operating properly. After these checks are complete, we take the Apache out for an extensive test drive. In the test drive, we are looking for additional vibrations or leaks that may occur.
We have a 70-point inspection that we do within the facility, indoors, and that goes from anything as simple as checking the bolt torques. Also, we'll do a complete wet system check, simulate actual spraying conditions, run through the precision controllers and things like that. And then after that has checked through and passed, then we take the unit outside for a 110-point drive test, where we're also simulating some spraying activity, and we're also testing the drivetrain and shift points, so on and so forth, as the operator would in the field. So I really think that the quality is very thorough, very complete, and we start from the basics and then go all the way to simulating actual spray conditions, which is important.
Successful completion of the test drive brings the Apache back inside for a full 436-point walk-around inspection. Upon completion, the Apache is ready for shipment.
Ruggedly simple,
Dependable,
Profitable.
the Apache sprayer.